Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to get into Life360 and start using it to stay connected with your family or friends. So let's get started. First of all, download the Life360 application. From the Play Store or App Store, you can search the Life360 application from here. Now this is the application interface and simply install it and make sure to open it. After opening it, it will say to sign up or login. If you are new, tap sign up and enter your phone number or email, then create a password. If you already have an account, tap login and enter your credentials. You can also log in using email instead of phone number. Now another step is to join or create a circle. Life360 works with circles. You can either create a circle or for your family, friends, or join an existing circle. Click here. As you can see, I am in this circle. You can create a circle or join a circle. You can simply create a circle, hit the create the circle, and you can add the family members or friends or someone. After that, circle allow you to share the location and stay connected. Enable location services. Make sure to enable the location. You can check it from the settings and go to the location sharing and make sure to turn on the location sharing. Now and that's it. You have now live, and that's it. You are now in Life360 and ready to share location safely with your circle. Like, share, subscribe for the more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.